Cam here. Just wanted to get back on track with our tutorials. I've had a few folks make some requests for some different tutorials on different topics. The most recent one was on roads, right? So a lot of times we buy our roads, our road plates. We've all seen this type, the more modern one. We've got the old school ones that are the green ones, they're a little more narrow. But for a lot of people, these are their go-to, right? The request that I got was, how do I brick build a road, right? So there's a couple different ways to do it. The common road plate will accommodate cars and vehicles that are about 6 studs wide, maybe 8 if you're lucky. So realistically, if you want to have a single road, a 2-lane road, right, or one coming and one going, that's probably what you can expect on either side of the center line there. So with some sidewalk space or extra studded space on the sides there. But if you want to brick build your roads, you can really do whatever you want. It can be double the width or 1.5 the width, right? So lots of fun ways to do it. What I've seen most commonly are tiles. The way that I like to brick build my roads are with tiles and some of the grate plates, the 1x2 grates for sewer drains, but mostly tiles. You can also sideways build. You can take snoot bricks and build sideways so that you can mount them. So you've got your, depending on if you want, like the dark bluish gray roads, or if you want black roads, you can just take brick and build them sideways, interspersing, white plates, one by whatever white plates, or 1 by whatever yellow plates for the double yellow in the center. So that's another way you can do it. But what I want to show you today is the way that I do it, the way that I like to do it, and that's using the tiles. So let's take a look. I've got a couple different methods. One that shows what the road would look like about the same size as one of these, and then one that's a little bit bigger so that you have 2 lanes on either side. Okay, let's check it out. All right, so that was my brick-built road or custom road tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you've got ideas for future videos, please let us know in the comments. And as always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, happy building, and play well.